Hi, I'm Dan Stork, the Mount Vernon District Supervisor, and I want to invite you to join us for the 4th annual Tour de Mount Vernon Community Bike Ride on October 19th. We have two different routes this year that we're running, a 20-mile route and a 35-mile route. They're all starting at the Workhouse Arts Center, and they all are going to be a lot of fun. We're going to ride over to Mason Neck and Gunston Hall, which is also right on the river, and it's the home of George Mason. Then we're going to do a first-time event for us, which is go to Fort Belvoir, where you'll be able to get a great view of the water as well as see the town of Fort Belvoir and how it's changing. From there, we're going to ride to a number of different communities and end up back at the Workhouse Arts Center, where we are going to have a great time with some fuel for you and some fun and music and lots of camaraderie. It's a chance to kind of relax and enjoy the rest of the morning. So please join us, check our website out. I look forward to seeing you there, October 19th.